Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to add font in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. In order to add a font to Microsoft Word, first of all you need to download the required font from sites like 100freefonts.com or various other sites which you can search in Google. So I'll show you one site for downloading the free fonts. This is the site where you can download different kinds of fonts as per your like. So I have already downloaded one font file. I'll show you in the folder. Downloads, and this is the font which I have already downloaded. So to add this, what you need to do is go to your control panel, double click on control panel, search for font here. So once you search, you will find this fonts. Click on it. It will list all the fonts already installed in your PC. So now drag the new font to this window. So it will get copied here. So once it's copied, you can see the font listed here. Yes, so the font is installed. So now if you go back to Word document, you should be seeing the font here as well. Yeah, this is the font which we installed. So now I'll write a sample text and double click on the text and choose the new font, or we can search for that, Princess. Yes. So this is how you add font in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos. Comment for any doubt or clarification. I'll be replying to your comment. Thanks.